To enable auto blocker feature to give your phone enhanced security in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find security and privacy. Tap security and privacy. Under additional security setting, tap auto blocker. Now tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn auto blocker on. When auto blocker feature is on, it will protect your phone by doing the following things. First, by blocking apps from unauthorized sources, which means only apps from authorized sources can be installed. However, if you attempt to install apps from unknown sources, you will receive a pop-up alert preventing you from continuing with the installation. That's why when auto blocker is on, install unknown apps feature cannot run. Second, by turning on app security checks, which means app installed on your phone will be checked for malicious activity. That's why when auto blocker is on, app protection feature will be enabled automatically. And the last one, by blocking comments by USB cable, which means malicious charger, computers, and other devices will not be able to send comments to your phone when connected using a USB cable. Given to the function, it's recommended to enable this option on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.